Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we can see that e to the power of x and e to the power of psi y we can put like this. So for this one, we can separate them in here, just like this. And we need to multiply each other. Now, the region of S that's from 0 to B. The region of Y that is from 0 to B over 2. So the integration of e to the power of s, we have e to the power of s, and we put the bounds from 0 to b. The integration of this one, we will have about e to the power of psi y, because if we do first the derivative of this one, you got about this one. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So b I will put in here, number 0 I will put in here. This one we have e to the power of psi of b over 2 minus e to the power of psi of number 0. Now we can simplify it. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So e to the power of number 1 we can simplify like this. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.